You probably know that by mewing you can improve your face, eyes, cheekbones and jaw. But one thing you don't know, the types of mewing. So in this video I will tell you what type of mewing is good for your health and for you, and what type of mewing is not good for you, having side effects. So watch the full video. So according to Dr. Mike Mew, mewing have three types. Number first, soft mewing. Number second, medium hard mewing. Number third, hard mewing. So let's talk about soft mewing. In soft mewing we have to simply touch your tongue with fillet and keep the mouth closed and breathe from the nose. This is called soft mewing. By soft mewing you can achieve sharp jawline, hunter eyes and attractive face, but it gives results slow and late, but it has no side effect. It is good for your health. When you perform it, you should close your mouth and breathe from the nose, which improve your breathing system. But if you perform it for lifetime, it protect your face from becoming asymmetrical. Number second, medium hard mewing. In this mewing, the same, you have to touch your tongue with fillet and keep the mouth closed and breathe from the nose. In this mewing, the extra thing is the saliva you have to swallow with your tongue in this position and made a vacuum in the mouth when you touch your tongue with fillet. So touch the tongue hardly and make sure that you don't apply the tongue pressure on one side of the fillet. You must have to apply the tongue pressure equally on both sides of the fillet. If you apply the pressure on one side, your face will become asymmetrical like this. This mewing show result faster than soft mewing, but if you perform it wrongly, then your face will become completely ruined. Number third is hard mewing. When you do some hard things or in depression or weightlifting, and that time the neck posture or in which place the tongue touch and place of teeth, so this is called hard mewing. So these are the three types of mewing. If you want to start mewing, then I recommend you to do soft mewing. Soft mewing have no side effects. It's good for your health. It also improve breathing system, but it gives result later. The result of soft mewing take times, so be patient. I hope you something learned from the video, so don't forget like and subscribe.